In Ecoxy, user can create branches of their HO business and record accounting data of the same. A new branch can be accessed from the settings menu. Here we can see a branches option. Click on the branches option to create a new branch under the HO. Then it redirects to branch search page. Here user can create a new branch and it shows the details of already created branches. The details we can see are like branch name, branch address, email ID, contact number of the user, branch registration date and the current status. In this data table, a view icon is available here. This view icon enables the user to access the data of created branch. When we clicking on the view icon, it redirects to branch master page, and here we can see the created branch details like branch name, address, branch logo, etc. Next to the view icon is an edit option. This edit option enables the user to edit or make a change after created the branch. On the left side of the branch search page, a filter option is available. With this filter option, user can filter or customize the branch data. User can filter the data by entering branch name or contact number, email ID and status. Next to the filter option is a search bar. With this search bar, user can search a particular branch name and can access a particular type of data. Next, on the right side of the page, add new branch option is available. With this option, user can add a new branch. Let's take a look at how to create a new branch. For that, click on the add new branch option. Then it redirects to new branch master form, and here user need to enter the branch name. Next is the address. After entering the address, user have to select the country along with the state. The next is the street, pin code number. After entering the details, the next user need to enter the email ID along with the phone number here. On the right side of the page, user can enter the branch registered name. Next, a branch logo and signature option is given here. With this option, user can upload the branch logo along with the signature. After entering the details, click on the save option to save it as a new branch. We have an exit option to exit from this page without saving. After clicking on the save option, it redirects to the branch search page and the saved data will be appear here. After we created a branch, we can switch to the created branch by clicking on the branch switch option here. When we clicking on the drop down or branch switch option, the list of created branches will be appear and user can switch to the required one. The inactive type of branch data are highlighted in red color. On the left side of the page, here we can see a color format. This inactive color format indicates with inactive branch and it highlighted with red color. So these are the details included under branch form. Thank you.